everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, and in today's video, as you can see from my background, we are going to play with Blendiful. So it's, the new item from TatiBeauty. I have the Vol 1 palette and now I have the Blendiful. I usually don't use this kind of applicator to do my makeup. I also don't use brushes because maybe I am not used to blend with the brush, and to tell you the truth, sometimes it's a little bit tricky and I can see lines, so I'm taking my sponge and I dab and I'm good. So it's going to be a challenge, okay? And I know when you are using something new, if you just try it once, you are not going to see, fully what it's capable of. So I'm going to use it again and again. So if I don't, like it today, it's not my final decision. But I have faith and I love that. So yeah. So I think I'm going to do one half of my face with cream contour and then with a bronzer and stuff like that. So I'm going to start with applying this e.l.f. putty primer. If you want a good primer, this bad guy right here is what you want. You also have two. It's the mini one and the big one. This is more soft and this is more stiff. Let's take our primer. Let's dip. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we have here. So let's see. So now I'm going to do this part of my face with the bronzer, and this is the part that I'm going to do the cream contour. I'm going to use the Conceal and Define Revolution one in the shade of C13. Tati, I see you. I'm going to use my Colourpop foundation in the shade Light 65. And let's see, Tati said to drag it and then dab it. Okay, so let's see. So guys, what do you think? I don't know if I like it or not. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. Maybe it's my skin. I don't have, I have some breakouts here, but damn, why my skin is like that, man? Why? I care for you. I put you. So good stuff. Why are you doing me like that, man? Why? Okay, so now I'm going to use from Essence the Camouflage Concealer. Okay, I really like the application in my face with the concealer, but sometimes for that more of a pop of brightness, I put a little bit of white concealer, a little bit. Maybe I didn't choose the right foundation, because I really don't like my skin right now. But that concealer, ooh, okay. So now we are going into powders. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star in the name of banana. I'm going to flip it gently, okay, and I'm going to use this side. Let's see. What do you guys think? With the powder and the concealer, we are going somewhere. I like it. Okay. Maybe, because I have a bad day with my face, with the breakouts and stuff like that. Maybe this is the reason that I didn't like the foundation in the first place. But yeah, let's move on. Now I'm going to use this Radiant palette, as you can see here. It's called Happy Days. I'm going to use this right here. So I'm going to use the other side now for the blush. I do it like this and now. And I'm going to use the highlight of the same palette. So I will do a little bit my brows and I will put something in my eyelids and I will be right back. I'm back. I did a little bit something in my eyes. I did a little bit of my eyebrows and my lips, and this is the final look. I know for some reason I think my camera, something in the settings or whatever is off, or I don't know, because I have my beauty light, and I'm so sorry. I'm figuring it out. I'm in a new place and I want to fucking change this color because it's not my style, and now the lighting is something off, but yeah, my final opinion, I think I like it. I think that you can have better results if you use powder with it, because I can see that bronzer is great, the blush was perfect, and the setting powder was perfect. Now, it did very well with my concealer, okay? But the thing is, my foundation was more liquid than my concealer, and I had a little bit of a problem with that. So I will try again with my NYX foundation that is a little bit more cream consistency and not liquid like my Colourpop one. And I will also wait, we are going to do it now. So I will take my NYX foundation and my Colourpop one, okay? As you can see right here, this one is the NYX one and this one is the Colourpop one. As you can see here, the Colourpop one is more of a liquid consistency and this is more of a cream one. So I'm going to take for my here, and I'm going to drag it and puff it. Okay, and now I will flip it and I will use this side right here, and I'm going to do the same here. Drag it and okay, as you can see, here is the cream one and here is the liquid one. I think the cream one is better blended, so I don't know if this is something or it's just my imagination or whatever, but I think if you have a more cream consistency, then it will work better with this. But I will do it in my face maybe the next time that I want to play with makeup, and I will tell you guys in my Instagram, or I can give you an update in my next video. I think, look, it's like $18, okay? And if you live in the USA, is like, I think, to something for the shipping. So with $20 you have two of these. This one is more for, you know, touch-ups and stuff like that, and I did use this one a little bit for touch-up, and I put my setting powder right here and I just did this thing and it worked great. But I like that, okay? Your powder game is going to be a strong one with this right here. I told you guys my concerns, you know, like the foundation, I didn't like it with the foundation, but maybe it's just my skin that, you know, I have a little bit of texture in my skin and a little bit shows more right now, and I don't like that. But I really like it with my concealer and the other part of my face. So maybe it's this thing right here that I did. Maybe having a more liquid foundation, it's not a good thing with this one, but maybe just me. So guys, yeah, this was for today. I hope you have a great time with me. Subscribe to my channel if you want and like this video. Leave down in the comments, what do you guys think? Do you find this review helpful? I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.